So, let me tell you a very interesting story. Have you heard about a land of no old people? Yes, you heard it right. So, I'm going to tell you a story of the land of no old people. So, let's hop on. Once upon a time, it happened in a village that a gang of young people decided to kill all the old people. Yes, you heard it right. These people, young people with knife in their hand, are discussing how they don't want any old people living in the village. They wanted to stop the old people doing magic. So they could not think of any other thing to stop the old magic trick done by the old people. They thought that killing them is the best idea. But out of that group, one of the youth ran off with his father and hid him in the desert. So, the people who were discussing to kill all the old people, among that group, there was one man. He thought that I don't want my father to be killed. So, he quickly ran off to his father and hid him in the desert so that nobody can get to know that his father is alive and is hiding in a hut in a forest in a desert. Can you see that in the picture also? There's nobody, there's no villagers around this cottage, this hut. After he had done this, the gang began killing the old people. Oh my god, just look at it, how ruthlessly they are killing, and they are moving all the old people outside the village. It's scary. Not long after, a snake came into the village from the desert. The snake entered into the stomach of a child. It kept poking its head out of the child's mouth. So, whenever the child was opening his mouth, the snake also was coming out of that mouth. But just look at the picture. This boy's tummy has a snake inside it. Oh my god, what do you think can be done about it? If you were in a situation like this, what do you think you would have done? Let's see how the villagers reacted to this one. The parents of the child and all the other people tried everything to resolve the situation, to resolve this problem. They were trying everything. They were trying to, they thought of different ideas so that they can take out that snake from the child's mouth. What do you think they would have thought of? Let think. Okay. Let's see what the villagers did. But they saw that if they killed the snake, it would also kill the child. So everyone kept trying different things. They could not kill the snake because if they kill the snake, the poison of that snake will enter the child's body and the child will be dead. So suddenly, the young man who had hidden his father went and told him everything that had happened. And the old man replied, "That's the easiest thing in the world to take care of." The old man said, "Oh, come on, this is the easiest thing to take out snake from the child's mouth." How come this old man thinking it to be the easiest job? Because I could not think of anything. Let's see what the old man replied. The old man said, "Go find a Todd and tie it up near the snake. The snake will come out the child's stomach and catch the Todd. The young man did what his father said. The snake came out and started to chase the Todd. Oh my god, that's the easiest thing, as told by the old man. Because snake wanted to eat the Todd, so he came out of the child's mouth to catch the silly Todd. And the Todd kept hopping and the snake kept coming out of the child's mouth. Can you see that in the picture? Look at how snake is very happy that he's going to get to eat Todd. And all the people are shocked what is exactly happening. But finally, the child was saved from death. And that's how the young people of that village understood that it is important for old people to be equally part of the society and to be equally part of their village, because in times of need they will use their knowledge, their wisdom to save them. Happy reading. Bye bye.